All right, so in this video, we are going to review all of the angle measures that we've learned over the last couple of sections to find measure angles given extended triangles. So we're going to use these angle relationships from the past 2 weeks to kind of work our way around a diagram to fill in missing angles. So let's review really quick what we've learned over the last few weeks. This is just a few of them. This isn't all of them. So vertical angles are congruent. And remember, vertical angles are whenever we have two lines that cross, like you can see here. If I go across the vertex, those angles match. So the gray and the gray, not just match, but they're congruent. Or the two white ones that I didn't fill anything in on, those are also congruent angles. Straight line angles are supplementary, which means they add up to 180 degrees. So what that means is if I have a straight line and I have two angles that it's divided up into, those two angles will add up to 180 degrees. And then triangle angle sum states that the three angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So anytime we have a triangle, I can add angle 1, 2, and 3, and I will get 180 degrees. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our diagram here. So we have quite a lot of information, but really it's a little bit too spread out, and most of it's really far away from the x, which is what I'm looking for. So I have three angles over here, but I need this one. So we need to find a way to bring them all together. So with this one, if you can, since it's extended lines of a triangle, try to focus on that triangle because all of these lines are kind of extending out from the triangle. And let's see if we can bring the angles into the angle or into the triangle, or if we can, try to bring these ones closer. But let's see what we can do here. So first, the angles of a triangle add up to 180, right? We just reviewed that. So the angle up here, the 41 and 37, plus this unknown one right here on the right and the unknown one here on the left will add up to 180 degrees. So let's try to figure out how to bring this x into the triangle. So bringing this x into the triangle, we can do that with going across the vertex, one of those ones we just reviewed, because vertical angles are congruent. So I can just bring it right into the triangle. So this is x degrees. So now we can look at this angle because I know the one at the top. Those ones are filled in. So I have this piece. So let's see if we can fill this piece in here. So I have the 109 degrees. Now we have this piece here. So we can use the 109 degrees to find that green angle because they're a straight line, right? That was another one we just reviewed. So a straight line angle equals 180 degrees. So these two together, the blue and the green, have to add up to 180 degrees. So 109 plus the green angle is 180. So if I subtract the 109, I'll figure out what's left over for that green angle, which is 71 degrees. So now I have this piece is 71, this piece is x. Now all I need to do is combine these two so I have a top angle. So we're going to add the two angles at the top. So we have a total. So 41 plus 37, and that gives me 78 degrees. So now I've brought all my information into the triangle, and I can come back to this triangle angle sum. Because if I add the triangles together, they have to equal 180 degrees. They're all within the triangle here. Okay, so we're focusing on the whole triangle, not this half or this half, but the whole thing, the whole purple area. Okay, so I have x plus 71 plus 78 equals 180 degrees. So I'm adding 71 and 78, and I get 149. And then I'm going to subtract the 149 so that I can see what's left over of the 180 for my x degrees, which is 31. So that was using our angle relationships to fill in missing angles on an extended triangle. I hope that helped, and I will see you in the next video.